How are you doing today? I'm doing well, thanks. And you? Have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately? Yes, I just watched Squid Game on Netflix and it was really good. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading, hiking, and playing video games. How was your weekend? It was great. I went on a road trip with some friends and had a lot of fun. What kind of music do you like? I like all kinds of music, but my favorite genre is rock. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat named Mittens. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. It's my favorite food. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm definitely a night owl. I don't function well in the morning. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I prefer coffee. I need it to wake up in the morning. What do you do for work? I'm a software engineer. How long have you been working there? I've been working there for 2 years now. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I love my job. It's challenging and rewarding. What's your favorite thing about your job? I love that I get to solve complex problems and work with a great team. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a younger sister. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is fall. I love the cooler weather and the leaves changing colors. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love to travel and explore new places. Have you been on any trips recently? Yes, I went to Hawaii last month and it was amazing. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Do you prefer to read physical books or e-books? I prefer physical books. There's something special about holding a book in your hands. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Godfather. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I try to exercise regularly to stay healthy. What's your favorite form of exercise? I enjoy running. It's a great way to clear my mind. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I love to cook and try out new recipes. What's your favorite thing to cook? I love making homemade pasta. Do you have any allergies? Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts. Please watch our all other videos to improve your English listening and speaking.